Substitution means writing given value for the unknown term. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි දන්නේ නැති එකට value එකක් දීලා තියෙනවා. ඒ දීපු value එක අර algebraic symbol එක වෙනුවට ලියන එක තමයි අපි මෙහිදී කරන්නේ. අපි බලමු example එකකින් කොහොමද මේක වෙන්නේ කියලා. Right. If it is given like this, find the value of 2x plus 1 when x equals 3. Right? This is the sum. Please take down this sum. Darwani.
Finish.
Okay, find the value of 2x plus 1 when x equal 3. So let's first step, take the expression, given expression. What is it? 2x plus 1. Right? After that, then we want value of x because variable or unknown term is x. You substitute this unknown term for this unknown term. For this unknown term, substitute given value. You just write 2 multiplied by the value of x, given value of x is 3, then plus 1. Then you know, here we can see multiplication and addition. First operation is multiplication. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is the final answer. This process is called substitution. Substitution means the writing given value for the variable like this. You should know here mathematical operation place between 2 and x is multiplication, right? 2x, we can't see mathematical operation. It's invisible, but there is a multiplication between 2 and x, right? Take down this sum.
Finish, sir.
Right, okay. All of you, please copy down this sum.
Okay, sir.
Right. I will give another sum.
Finish.
Right. Let's see. This sum you please try. Find the value of 6x minus 3 when x equals 5. Please find this answer.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. First step, you know, take the expression.
Yes.
Given expression is 6x minus 3. 6x minus 3. Take it down first. And then for x, in the next step, you write 5 for x. 6 multiplication sign between 6 and x. Value of x is 5. For x, you just write given value. May x වෙනුවට දීපු අංකේ ලියන්න. 6 times 5 minus 3. So 6 times 5 is 30. 30 minus 3, answer is 27. Right? Please check your answers.
Sorry, sir.
Right. Okay. Next one. 3a plus 2b when a equals 5, b equals 2. There are two variables.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Great. How about the others?
Finish, sir.
Yes. 2. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Yes. 3. Salani, you finish?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Shall we discuss it now? Everyone finish? Is everyone finished? Or still doing? Anyone doing? Please speak. Tarune. Right. Now let's see. I'll take the expression 3a plus 2b. This is the expression. Next step is substitution. Let's try 5 for a. That means substitution. Substitution කියන්නේ මේ දන්නේ නැති එකේට දීපු value එක ලියන එක. 3 multiplied by a is 5 plus 2 multiplied by b is given. Value of b is given 2. You want this step. You are given marks for these steps in the exam. This is the very, very important step. It's called substitution. Now let's simplify these numbers according to BODMAS order. That means before addition, you have to do multiplication. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 times 2 is 4. Then you can add it. 15 plus 4 is 19. This is the answer. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, very good. Next one. Let's see this one. 3ab over m, right? When, take down this sum, a equals 4, b equals 10, m equals 6.
Okay, sir.
Finish, sir.
Yes, very good. Right. Is it okay? Is everyone finished? First aid doing? Ishara?
Oh, sir.
Ishara. They doing?
No, sir.
or fin- Is it finished, Fuda?
Finish, sir.
Yes. Right. Let's see the expression first. 3ab divided by m. I write 3 multiplied by a is 4 multiplied by b is 10 divided by m is 6. Right, next step. Multiply these things 3 times 4, 12, 12 times 10, 120 divided by 6. 120 divided by 6 is 20. Have you got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Now, let's see another sum. Let's see this one. 5x plus 3y minus 2 when x equals 4, y equals 3. Right, take down this sum first and find the value of the expression.
Finish, sir.
Okay, sir.
Finish. Very good, very good. Is everyone finished?
Finish, sir.
What's your answer? Daruni?
28.
27.
28, 27. Right.
27.
27 කියනවා 28 කියන තවත් තියෙනවද answers? Right, අපි බලමු මොකක්ද කියලා. First step, let's write the expression. 5x plus 3y minus 2. So, let's substitute unknown term with the given number. 5 multiplied by x is 4
4.
plus 3 multiplied by y is given 3, then minus 2. Out of these operation, you know, first operation multiplication. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 3 times 3 is 9 minus 2.
2.
Then first, before subtraction, you can do these operations, these two operations at once. Let's add first. 20 plus 9, 29.
20.
29 minus 2. Answer is 27. This is the answer. Please check your answers.
Okay, sir.
Right. Very good. Then let's see another sum. Let's see expression with negative sign also. 5x minus 3y, right? When x equals 3, y equals minus 2. Right, I'll do it. Please look at this, Darwane. First step is writing the expression 5x minus 3y. 5x minus 3y. So let's let's observe now. 5 times x is 3. X venuta 3 liyana. Minus 3 multiplied by y is minus 2. Minus 2 substitute karanda. Then apply bracket here for the minus. Like this. Simplify. 3 times 5 is 15. Then we have to simplify this one with the sign. 3 times 2 is 6. Multiply signs then. The minus into minus. What's the answer? Plus. Then answer, final answer is 21. This is the final answer. Please take down this.
Finish, sir.
Right. We'll give another sum for you to do. Copy down it this one first, and then after that I will give another sum for you.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir.
Then the other sum for you to do. Please try this. Six A plus 2B minus 4 when x equals 2, y equals minus 3. Let's see.
AB එකට XY තියෙන්නේ.
right. That's mistake. අපි දෙන්න ඕන මොකද්ද මෙතන?
AB.
AB. Right. Take down AB. Very good. ඔන්න එහෙම අවධානයෙන් ඉන්න ඕන දරුවෝ. A B. Right.
Finish sir.
Right. Let's see. First, take the expression 6a plus 2b minus 4. So let's substitute. Second step substitution. 6 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by minus 3. When you write minus 3, apply bracket. Minus 4. This is substitution step. Let's multiply first. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6. Multiply sign. Plus into minus, minus. And here minus 4. Right. Now let's take the answer. Here 12 and 6 sign different. When the signs different, you have to, if it is not multiplication එකක් නොවේයි නම් signs equal නම් add කරනවා, signs different නම් subtract කරනවා. මෙතන multiplication sign එකක් නැහැනේ. එතකොට signs බලනවා. මෙතන plus 12 minus 6 ඒක නිසා subtract කරනවා 6 12 වලින්. එතකොට කීයද? plus 6 එනවා. ලොකු එකේ sign එක තමයි උත්තරයට එන්නේ. ඊළඟට මම ලියනවා minus 4. 6 minus 4, එතනත් sign different. Answer is plus 2.
2.
Please take this. Please correct the answer.
Okay, sir.
Right, next one. See this, take down this question. Find the value of 5a minus 3b minus 3c plus 2 when a equals minus 3, b equals minus 1, c equals minus 4. Right, finish.
Okay, sir.
Is everyone finished?
Finish, sir.
5a minus 3b minus 3c is the expression. Next step is substitution. You please check your answers. 5 multiplied by value of a is minus 3 within bracket. That's compulsory. Then minus 3 multiplied by b is -1. Write -1 within bracket. Minus 3 multiplied by what is c? C is -4 within bracket. This is the substitution step. Multiply. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus into minus, minus. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus into minus, plus. Then the last couple of numbers, 3 times 4 is 12. Minus into minus, plus. Now let's simplify. Minus 15 plus 3 plus 12, we can add it. Answer is plus 15. Now you can see last two numbers, minus 15 plus 15. When the signs different, remember to subtract them. Plus 15 minus 15, sign different. When the signs different, subtract. What's the answer? Answer is 0. Check your answer.
Sir,
ना अभी +2 ऐड करे ना
+2 add කරලා නෑනේ.
right. එහෙමනම් මෙතන +2 එක යනවා. +2. එතකොට final answer එක කීය වෙනවද?
+2.
+2. Have you got +2?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Very good. Very good. Next one. Find the value of -x plus 2b minus 3y minus 1 when x equal -1, y equal +2, b equals -2. Right, let's see this one.